Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can create perspective text in Photoshop. So let's get started. It's quite easy. So first we will see how we can create perspective of normal objects. So if I take this image over here, we can go to edit, transform, and here is the option perspective, or you can simply press Ctrl T or Command T and right click, we get the same option, perspective. Now once we choose the perspective option, we can add this effect, perspective effect. So we can move any of the two sides together or two corners together with the help of this option, perspective, like this. So we will get a perspective kind of effect by using this option. Now the thing is, when we try to use it on text, so I will type, let's say, graphics. Now if you try to use the same option on the text, enter. So if I go to edit, transform, and we can see the perspective option is inactive because we cannot directly apply perspective effect on the text. So we have to convert text into either into shape or raster. So if I go here in the layers panel, right click, so we can either create or convert this into raster, or we can convert it into shape. So I'm going with rasterize type. So this is now a layer because we cannot see the T. I will undo this. Now this is a text layer, as you can see the T, but once I create or convert this into raster object, so it will become a layer, normal layer. Now we can apply perspective effect, transform perspective, like this. Like this we can apply. So if I want to change the color, I can use the layer blending options. So let's say if I want to make it white, and I will create a layer and fill with black color. So Alt backspace or Option backspace to fill the foreground color. So let's say I want to make a copy. So I'm just trying to make an effect using the perspective. I already made text perspective after converting it into raster. Again I will press Ctrl T or simply go to transform and flip vertical, place it like this, enter. I will decrease the opacity like so. Now I want to add something else, so I will create a layer mask using this option over here, layer mask. And as you know, if we choose the black color in the foreground, it will hide the area wherever we draw, like this. And if we choose the white color, it will reappear like this. So this is how we can create perspective text using or after converting the text layer into a raster or shape. Only then we can use the perspective effect on the text. We cannot directly use the perspective option on the text. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.